I finally got my hands on my dream Birkin bag. I have been playing the Hermes game for about 2 years now, so I was ecstatic when I finally got the text from my sales associate that a bag had come in for me. So I wasn't quite sure what I was getting, but I always had said whatever it was quota bag wise, I really wanted it to be black with palladium hardware. It took a little bit of time to get. My sales associate said for a while they're getting a lot of like black with gold hardware, but I really wanted silver or palladium hardware just because I wear a lot of silver. I am a cool toned gal. But anyways, let's just get into the unboxing. So without further ado, here she is. I waited on a day when I got immediately the text, and it was like right in between when I was going in between trips and things like that. Literally, I was gonna leave the next day. So I had to go and pick it up. My sales associate was helping someone else as well that day with their stuff. So I got in like right when the store was getting ready to close, but I absolutely adore her. So this is the Birkin 25 in Noir with the palladium hardware, and it is the Togo leather. So I absolutely love it. This is my dream bag. So when she brought this out, I was just so excited. So I haven't taken the stickers off yet, so I will be doing that very soon. But I am just so excited about this bag. I just felt like this has like the perfect size for me. I love a lot of their different sizes, but I'm so happy that my first ever quota bag was a Birkin 25. I have not yet put any sort of twillies on yet. I'm still kind of deciding what I want to do. I'm thinking more of like a black and white because I do love black and white. I have a ton of black and white in my home, decor wise, clothing wise, so I feel like that might make the most sense. But let me know down in the comments below, should I do a pop of color? What do you guys think? I also have the lock that I still need to put on the bag, but I'll take the stickers off and everything. But I wanted to show you what else I got for this bag. Like I said, I haven't picked out like a twilly or accessories yet, but I will be probably pretty soon. Like I said, let me know down in the comments below what color you think I should get, but like I said, I think I'm thinking of black and white. And so I did get a bag insert off of Amazon. I know a lot of people, they don't like bag inserts, they should let it distress, but I have a few bags that's happened to, not Hermes bags, but other bags that kind of lost their shape, and I really didn't like it, and they didn't even like stand up on their own. So that's kind of why I bought this like memory foam insert. So I will be using this. Additionally, from Amazon, I got this like bag organizer to put in the bottom of my bag when I use it, so that way I'm not like getting a bunch of stuff on the inside of my bag. So that's also what I picked up. So that is my first ever quota bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This has been a dream for a very long time. I have dreamed about a Hermes Birkin bag or Kelly pretty much since I could remember, since like Gilmore Girls days. You guys remember seeing the Birkin on Gilmore Girls, but I absolutely love this bag. I've been enjoying my Hermes journey. I've had a really positive experience. I know not everyone can say the same, but like I said, super happy about this, super grateful. Make sure to like this video, comment down below, do you have a dream Hermes bag, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my content. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.